Good morning, students. After long awaiting, you ultimately reach to your main goal, that is the NEET examination. You have prepared very well, you have worked hard, and this is the time of result actually. This is the time of result, what you have done, what is your preparation, and what is the questions which you have attempted, and how the questions you have attempted right, what is wrong. So it is a curiosity in the students that they can calculate what they have done. So we see the question paper and we see the answers and we try to explain you that there may be confusion sometimes. The students, they have done some another answer, and if the answer key says something else, so then there will be a problem of that. We are using here your question paper set E1, the question paper E1, then you can match the questions and the answers according to your set. Question number 1, that is which of the following is not an attribute of a population. Four options they have given. First option, sex ratio. Second option, natality. Third option, mortality. And fourth option, that is species interaction. So I was discussing you that the attribute of population sex ratio is definitely an attribute, natality birth rate, mortality death rate, all they are the attributes, that is the points which are important in population. But species interaction is not important, not related with population. So we used to say the correct option in this question will be D, species interaction. This will be the correct option of it. Question number 2, that is the process of growth is maximum during. The process of growth is maximum in their structure. Now see, question number, we can say 8. In the sequence I am taking, select the correct match. Now see, hemophilia Y-linked, phenylketonuria. Then you can see sickle cell anemia is autosomal recessive trait. Then you see match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1, if you match it, the correct match will be, you say there is only one paste which is given out of 4, that is Locusta. And then the correct match will be 2. Then the infectious stage of Plasmodium. The infectious stage of Plasmodium, that is the infectious stage of Plasmodium, you know it is sporozoite. Now identify the substances having glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. 4 options are given, chitin and cholesterol. Number 1, chitin and cholesterol. Second choice, glycerol and trypsin. Then third, cellulose and lecithin. cellulose and lecithin, and number 4, inulin and insulin. Inulin and insulin. You know, glycosidic bonds are present in the carbohydrates, and the, we can say, peptide bonds, they are present. Peptide bond, they are present in the proteins. Out of all carbohydrates, that is cellulose, but lecithin is not that. So inulin and insulin, that is the correct option of it. Inulin, that is a carbohydrate, insulin is a protein, that is peptide. So you will find peptide bonds in this. Then question number, next question in zoology, that is question number 15. It is cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium with brush border, with brush border of microvilli, is found in four options: lining of intestine, number 2, ducts of salivary glands, then proximal convoluted tubule of nephrons, proximal convoluted tubules of nephrons, and eustachian tube. Four options are given. And you know, you will find the answer, that is 1. It is in the lining of the intestine. You know, cuboidal epithelium with brush border of microvilli. You know, microvilli, they increase the surface area, and where surface area is required, that is intestine. If you remember, you have studied in small intestine. In the small intestine, you have studied that microvilli are present, which increase the surface area for absorption of the food. Surface area is more. Then next question is question number 19 in E1 set. Identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Identify the wrong statement. With reference to transport of oxygen, transport of oxygen. First, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is oxygen with, so binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is mainly related to, with oxygen mainly related to partial pressure of oxygen, partial pressure of oxygen. Number 2, partial pressure of carbon dioxide can interfere with oxygen binding with hemoglobin, with oxygen binding with hemoglobin. Then number 3, higher hydrogen concentration is, higher hydrogen concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin, and fourth, low PCO2, low partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. So out of 4, if you see that higher hydrogen concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. You know there is no role, wrong statement we are talking about. There is no role of hydrogen concentration in alveoli. In the series of zoology, that is question number 23, which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge? Which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge? Anaerobic sludge, digester for further sewage treatment, primary sludge. Number 2, floating debris, Number 3, effluents of primary treatment, activated sludge. Number 4, activated sludge. So out of four options, the best one is activated sludge, that is used for that purpose. Activated sludge is used for that purpose. It is used for that purpose. That is used for that purpose. Then next one, 24, select the correct events that occur during inspiration. Number one, contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external intercostal muscles, external intercostal muscles. Pulmonary volume decreases. Pulmonary volume decreases. And number 4, intrapulmonary pressure increases. Intrapulmonary pressure increases. You can say the answers number, that is A and B, the answers are given in the series of A, B, C, D. A and B. Second is C and D. Third, A, B and D. And fourth, only D. Fourth, that is only D. So in this one, during inspiration, contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external intercostal muscle, these changes do not take place. So A and B is the correct option. Then 25, if the head of cockroach is removed, if the head of cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because it may live for few days because a supraesophageal ganglia, a supraesophageal ganglia of the cockroach are stimulated, stimulated in ventral part of abdomen, in ventral part of abdomen. So then the answer number 2, the cockroach does not have nervous system. The cockroach does not have nervous system, does not have nervous system. The head holds a small portion of a nervous system. The head holds a small proportion of the nervous system, a small proportion of nervous system, a small proportion of a nervous system, while the rest is situated along the along the remaining, along the ventral part, along the ventral part of the body, ventral part of the body. Number 4, the head holds a 1/3 part, head holds a 1/3 part of nervous system, while the rest is situated along the along the dorsal part of the body, along the dorsal part of the body. So out of these options, you can clearly see that third option, because a very small part of the nervous system is in the head part. So if we remove the head, still most of the part of the nervous system, most of the part of the nervous system in the remaining part of the body, and that's why the cockroach does not die, because larger part of the nervous system that is present in the remaining part of the body. The question number 26, which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? Which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? A is Urochordata. In Urochordata, notochord extends from head to tail, and it is present throughout their life, throughout their life. Then in vertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. Then central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow, while the chordata is derived into three subphylum. Chordata is derived into three subphyla. Hemitunicata and cephalochordata. Hemichordata, tunicata, cephalochordata. So out of these three options, the fourth one is correct. It is divided into this. In vertebrata and the Urochordata, they are wrong answers. Next question, that is question number 30. Match the following. A. Inhibitor of catalytic activity. Inhibitor of catalytic activity. It is number 1 ricin, then B possess peptide bond, possess peptide bond, peptide bond, malonate, malonate, then cell wall material in fungi, cell wall material in fungi, that is chitin, chitin, and fourth, secondary metabolite collagen, secondary metabolite, that is collagen. The options are 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4. So out of these four, when we see correct option out of 4, when we see the option number 1 is applicable for it. Option number 1, question number 31, meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed. Oocyte is completed prior to ovulation, prior to ovulation, at the time of copulation, at the time of copulation, then after zygote formation, after zygote formation, at the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum, at the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum, with an ovum. Fourth one is correct. You know that second, the polar body separates. Now 32, according to Robert May, the global species diversity is about 1.5 millions. Number 2, 20 million. Number 3, 50 million. 4. As you know, diversity is 7 million. 34. Which of the following regions of the globe exhibits highest species diversity? species, Western Ghats of India, Madagascar, Himalayas, Amazon forest. Out of these we say Amazon forest is the correct option of it. Then 37, match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2, A, 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits, heterocircle, caudal fin, air bladder, poison sting. It is trigon, cyclostomes, chondric thighs, ostick thighs. These characters among the fishes A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1. It is 37. First option is correct. You can see the A matches with 2 6 15 pairs cyclostomes, then B matches with heterocircle caudal fin, that is chondric thighs, then air bladder is present in ostrich thighs, and the poison sting is present in trigon. Then after 37, 38, from the Hayes experiments, S.I. Miller produced amino acids by mixing the following in a closed flask. Number 1, methane, hydrogen, ammonia, water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. Number 2, CS3H2NH4, water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. Third, CH4, hydrogen, ammonia and water vapor at 600 degrees Celsius. And 4, CH3, hydrogen and water vapor 600 degrees Celsius. So Miller performed this experiment. And the actual mixture which was put is this. 39, embryological support for evolution was disapproved by Carl Ernst von Baer, Alfred Wallace, Charles Darwin and Oparin. In this, von Baer was the person who is related with embryology. 41, secondary metabolites such as nicotine, strychnine and caffeine are produced by plants for their nutritive values, growth response, defense action, effect on reproduction. So secondary metabolites, that is for defense action. Then 44, which of the following refer to correct examples of organisms which have evolved due to changes in environment brought about by anthropogenic action? Darwin's finches. A, Darwin's finches of Galapagos Island, herbicide resistant weed, drug resistant eukaryotes, man created breeds of domesticated animals like dogs. So we say that domesticated dogs. Question number 44, correct option is third, that is B, C and D. That is the correct option. 45, identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. 45, the correct option, when ready-made antibodies, correct option is 2, are directly given, it is called passive immunity. That is the correct option of 45. Next is 46. By which method was a new breed, Hisardale, of sheep formed? By using Bicaneri Merino ram. that is 46. Correct option of it, that is cross breeding. 47. 47. Identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system, that is number 3. Ileum is a highly coiled part, that is the correct option of it. Then 48. Match the following columns. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. Clostridium butylicum. Clostridium butylicum. Cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A. Trichoderma polysporum. Butyric acid. Monascus purpureus. Citric acid. And Aspergillus niger, blood cholesterol lowering agent. Correct option will be second one, that is 2, means under the A, B, C, D. So it is 2, 1, 4, 3. Like this. That is the correct option of it. 49. Process of which of the following conditions in urine and are indicative of diabetes mellitus? Ketonuria and glycosuria. Third option, ketonuria, glycosuria. That is indicative of it. Then 51. Select the option including all sexually transmitted diseases. Select option including all sexually transmitted diseases. That is gonorrhea. Correct option is gonorrhea, syphilis and genital herpes. Then 54. Which of the following hormone levels will cause release of ovum from the Graafian follicle? Which of the following hormone will cause release of ovum? 54. So you know high concentration of estrogen will cause release of egg from the ovary. 56. 56. Montreal Protocol was signed. Montreal Protocol was signed. Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 for control of, that is, emission of ozone. Correct option is emission of ozone depleting substances. Then 59. The enzyme enterokinase. The enzyme enterokinase helps in conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. Then 63. Match the following columns and select the correct option. A. Organ of Corti connects middle ear and pharynx. Connects middle ear and pharynx. Cochlea, coiled part of the labyrinth. Cochlea, coiled part of labyrinth. Then C. Eustachian tube attached to the oval window Step is located on the basilar membrane. Located on the basilar membrane. So if you see organ of Corti located on the basilar membrane, means A is matching with 4. A is matching with 4. So correct option is 3. Answer number 3. It is the correct option of it. A, B, C, D. Correct option is 3. That is 4, 2, 1 and 3. That is the correct matching of that. You can match A 4, B to 3, C to 1, D to 3. Then question number 68. Which of the following would help in prevention of diuresis? Of the following would help in prevention of diuresis. Help in question number 67. It is 68. That is answer number 2. The absorption of sodium and water from renal tubules due to aldosterone. Then question number 70. Match the following columns and select the correct option. And select the correct option. Column 1, column 2, A, placenta, in front of it 1, androgens, B, zona pellucida, human chorionic gonadotropin, bulbourethral glands, layer of the ovum, layer of ovum. Then D, Leydig cells, lubrication of penis. These are the answers which are given. Question number 70. Answer is 4. A, B, C, D, 2, 3, 4, 1. It is the correct option of it. Question number 73. Flippers of penguins, dolphin. Examples of question number 73. Correct option convergent evolution. It is the answer is 2. Convergent evolution. Question number 75. QRS complex standard ECG represents depolarization of ventricles. Third option, depolarization of ventricles. 76. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2, eosinophils, immune response, basophils, phagocytosis, neutrophils, release histamine, destructive enzymes, lymphocytes, release granule containing histamine. Correct option is 1. A, B, C, D. That is 3, 4, 2, 1. 4. That is the correct option of it. Select the correct statement. 77. Select the correct statement. Glucocorticoids stimulate glucocorticoids. That is 77. Question number 80. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Select the correct option. Column 1, column 2. Pituitary gland, pituitary gland, Graves' disease, pituitary gland, Graves' disease, thyroid gland, thyroid gland, diabetes mellitus, diabetes mellitus, adrenal gland, diabetes insipidus, pancreas, Addison's disease, Addison's disease. Question number 80. Question number 80. Answer is 3. A, B, C, D. Answer is 3. 3 is 3142. 3, 1. That is the correct option. Then 81. Select the correct statement. Select the correct statement. Select the correct statement. That is, glucocorticoids stimulates gluconeogenesis. Corticoids, glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. That is 81. Then 82, 81. Then 82. Which of the following is the most abundant protein in the animals? Which of the following is the most abundant protein in animals? Hemoglobin, collagen, lectin and insulin. Lectin and insulin. Definitely you know, in the chapter of tissue you are taught collagen is the most abundant protein. Then 83. Experimental verification. Experimental verification of the chromosomal theory. Of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by A, that is Mendel, 2, Sutton, number 3, Boveri, and number 4, Morgan. That is 83. Morgan was the scientist, you know, who gave experimental verification. Match the following columns. Match the following columns and select the correct option. And select the correct option. correct and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. Column 2, floating ribs, floating ribs located between second and seventh ribs, located in between second and seventh rib, then acromion, head of the humerus, head of humerus, scapula, clavicle, and glenoid cavity do not connect with the sternum, A B C D 1 2 3 4 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 4 3 1 2 4 3 1 2. Correct option is 4. One I forgotten to tell you. That question number 80. So in this manner, this is the match the column. Then next question 87. Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals. Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals. Bilaterally symmetrical acoelomate animals are exemplified by platyhelminthes. Second option, platyhelminthes. Then 89. Goblet cells of goblet cells of alimentary canal are modified from columnar epithelial cells, columnar epithelial cells. 90 snow blindness, Antarctic region in Antarctic region is due to correct option is due to inflammation of cornea due to high dose of UVB radiation. This is 90th question. So these are the answers of the, we can say, set even. You can match your answers and you can see what is correct options. You can tally your marks also, and then you can see. All the best to all of you. Thank you.